So this is a 100% remote position. It's a security engineering job. It is in Atlanta. Any visa. That means you don't have to be an American citizen to do this. The Atlanta Information Management is seeking a highly motivated candidate for the role of security engineer for the city of Atlanta. Is responsible for implementation and administration of network security hardware, software, enforcing network security policies, and complying with requirements of external security audits. Let's go into the responsibilities. Always important to look at the responsibilities. Its basis: help drive security standards and best practices. Okay. Advise and implement application infrastructure strategy. It looks like they're looking for like a dude to kind of guide them in the right direction. It seems like to me. Perform breach and threat vulnerability analysis. Okay, they need like a person who's like a jack of all trades, seems like, who's done a little cyber threat and intelligence. They know a little bit about the best practices of an organization. Deploy, configure, and monitor security tools. But that's the job out there, guys. If you're interested in this, contact information, I'll leave it here on the screen for a little bit. And let me show the actual contact info for you. There it is right there. You can also give me your email. I can forward this email over to you if you like, so you can just email the person directly. Here's some of the other requirements they're looking for. This is preferred experience. Don't get confused by that. You know, like you might be looking at, I don't have no Qualys experience. I don't have 8 to 10 years of relevant. This is preferred. So that just means they would like that extra experience, but this is what they require, right? Their requirements are up here, what you're responsible for. The qualifications are here, I'm sorry, right here.